Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the strings in Python. So what is a string? The string is an alphabetical or alphanumerical values are called as a string. Not all the values are numerical. For example, here the hello world is alphabetical. Here we are having the set of values that is alphanumerical. It is having an alphabet and as well as numerical also. So these are represented as a string data type in Python. So string is called as a sequence of characters. Every character in a string is having an index position. We can access them by using the index position. So string is a sequence of characters treated as a single unit. Strings are enclosed by using single quotation, double quotation, and triple quotation mark. An empty string is a string that has zero characters. It is just a pair of quotation marks only without a value. So what is a string? String is a sequence of characters treated as a single unit. In many languages, strings are array of characters. In Python, string is a object of the str class. Str stands for string. String is having a many constructors. So here, a string which is contained a set of alphanumerical values, which is given here. Every value is having an index position. So the first character A is having a zeroth index position. Second character A is having an index position 1. Third B is having a index position 2 up to the last character H is having a index position 9. So we are able to access the string using the index position. We'll see a small demo of the string by using Python interactive mode. The variable x equal to, within single quotation, I am giving 1, 2, 3. That is allowed. If I give a x in the interactive mode, I am getting a value 1, 2, 3. The same x equal to, within the double quotation, I am giving 1, 2, 3. This is also allowed. And we are able to use the triple quotation also. Using triple quotation 1, 2, 3. Close by triple quotation. So this is the different way to represent a string. We are able to access the string by using its index position. The first value in the string is always having the value 0. Second is 1. The third is 2. And the last character is the n minus 1. N is the total length of the string. For example, I want to access the first character in the string. I am giving x of 0. This will print the value 1. That's it. In this video, we have discussed the fundamental of the string. We will see videos regarding the way how to handle the string, how to create a string, what are the string classes, constructor, and string manipulation functions in the forthcoming session. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for the further updates and videos. Share, comment, and press the bell button. Thank you.